The experience I had last night, however, changed the way I feel about this story completely. What I saw was more sophisticated than I ever imagined. Take a look. 1, 2, 3, 4. At least 5 lights. 6 lights. I didn't believe what I was seeing. Oh, what was I seeing? For decades, the skies have held secrets, whispers of unexplained aerial phenomena that have captivated and confounded us. But what if the answer weren't above us but beneath? What if the key to understanding UFOs lies hidden in the crushing depths of our oceans? In today's episode, we delve into the astonishing theory of the UFO Mothership, a concept that could redefine our understanding of everything we thought we knew about unidentified phenomena. The idea of a submerged UFO mothership gained traction with claims of extraordinary footage depicting a colossal metallic structure resting on the ocean floor. This structure, described as potentially rivaling a small island in size, displays a symmetrical design unlike anything known to modern science. In December, over 50 mysterious drones were spotted over New Jersey, emerging from the Atlantic Ocean. 1, 2, 3, 4, at least 5 lights, 6 lights, unseen and unheard. Fixed-wing drones with wingspans stretching 8 to 10 feet haunt the skies, their multiple lights gleaming in the dark. These enigmatic aerial phantoms possess a chilling stealth, emitting no heat signature to betray their presence. As the mystery deepens, the Ocean County Sheriff's Department has stepped forward to confront the unknown, led by Sheriff Michael Mastinardi, who reported a chilling encounter. A squadron of 50 drones emerging from the vast expanse of the Atlantic, with 13 of the silent stalkers shadowing a Coast Guard vessel. Adding to the intrigue, News Nation reporter Rich Mayhew has also witnessed over 50 drones for the past hour. I think we've seen about 40 or 50 of these drones. In fact, there's one over my shoulder right there. Apparently, this is not the first time things like this have been discovered. In 2011, divers from the Ocean X team, including Swedish explorers Peter Lindberg and Dennis Asberg, discovered a strange, unexplained object at the bottom of the Baltic Sea, a massive 70-foot-long disk made of either metal or rock. The sight was almost impossible to explain, which evoked comparisons to the iconic Millennium Falcon spaceship from Star Wars. However, this discovery lay buried deep beneath the ocean's surface, rather than soaring through the cosmos. It has since been dubbed the Baltic Sea Anomaly. For some people, these discoveries could be the missing link explaining the surge in strange lights and erratic drones or orbs reported globally. Could this be the base of operations for extraterrestrial scouts hidden beneath the waves for centuries? While this purported footage remains unverified, the concept of an alien mothership has found its way into serious discussions within the scientific and defense communities. In 2023, Harvard professor A.V.I. Lubb theorized that fragments from a 2014 meteor crash off the coast of Papua New Guinea could be alien technology. Lubb's team recovered metallic spherules from the ocean floor, sparking the idea that they might be part of an interstellar spacecraft. These spherules displayed unusual elemental compositions, including elements like boron, lanthanum, and uranium at levels not typically found in our solar system. This led Lubb to speculate about the possibility of technologically manufactured origins. However, Lubb's claims have faced scrutiny from other scientists. One researcher suggested the seismic readings linked to the meteor were likely from a passing truck, and another paper suggested the spherules were made of human-produced materials. Despite the criticism, Lubb has presented new findings to counter the criticism, comparing the elements found in the cosmic ash to those in the spherules. Lubb maintains that his work adheres to the scientific method, emphasizing that his conclusions are based on collected materials and their analysis. Sean Kirkpatrick, former director of the Pentagon's All-Domain Anomaly Resolution Office, AARO, and Harvard astronomer Abraham Lubb co-authored a draft paper exploring the possibility of an extraterrestrial mothership operating within our solar system. Their theory suggests that such a mothership could release numerous small probes, likened to dandelion seeds, to explore planets like Earth. These probes, too small to be easily detected, could be the source of some UAP sightings. An artificial interstellar object could potentially be a parent craft that releases many small probes during its close passage to Earth, an operational construct not too dissimilar from NASA missions. Sean Kirkpatrick wrote in a research report co-authored by Abraham Lubb, chairman of Harvard University's astronomy department. Lubb, on the other hand, gained attention by suggesting that the first interstellar object entered our solar system in October 2017. The Pan-STARRS telescope in Hawaii spotted an object moving so fast that some scientists believed it came from beyond our solar system. The object's trajectory also suggested that forces other than the sun's gravity were affecting its movement. Scientists dubbed the object Oumuamua, the Hawaiian term for scout, which Kirkpatrick and Lubb offer in their research paper as an example of a possible mothership with probe capabilities. With proper design, these tiny probes would reach Earth or other solar system planets for exploration as the parent craft passes by within a fraction of the Earth-Sun separation, just like Oumuamua did. The authors explained that astronomers would not be able to notice the spray of mini-probes because they do not reflect enough sunlight for existing survey telescopes to notice them. The theory of both Sean Kirkpatrick and Abraham Lubb, while speculative, provides a framework for understanding how extraterrestrial exploration might occur without large, easily detectable spacecraft. Kirkpatrick previously served as the chief scientist at the Defense Intelligence Agency's Missile and Space Intelligence Center. The AARO was established to investigate unidentified objects of interest around military installations amid increased attention on unidentified flying objects, sparked by incidents like the Chinese spy balloon over U.S. airspace. A research paper titled Physical Constraints on Unidentified Aerial Phenomena was released shortly after Senators Marco Rubio and Kirsten Gillibrand, along with other senators, urged the Deputy Secretary of Defense and Deputy Director of National Intelligence to fully fund AARO. They argued that AARO's success in addressing threats and increasing transparency hinges on adequate funding, which the Biden administration's initial budget request for 2023 did not provide. The mystery deepens when we consider the historical context. Reports of strange lights and mysterious entities are far from new. Ancient civilizations across the globe have depicted similar phenomena in their art, writings, and oral traditions. Could the mothership, if it exists, have been here far longer than we realize? Are the orbs we see today connected to these ancient encounters, offering glimpses into history we've barely begun to understand? The study of unidentified anomalous phenomena, UAPs, formerly known as UFOs, is gaining traction among mainstream scientists and government agencies. For those who don't know, the term UAP is used to reduce the stigma associated with UFOs and includes not only objects but also natural atmospheric phenomena. NASA commissioned a study team to examine UAPs from a scientific perspective, focusing on available data and how to collect future data to advance the scientific understanding of UAPs. The team published its final report on September 14, 2023, with recommendations for how NASA can help move our understanding of UAPs forward. So what does it say? The study team reported that no evidence of extraterrestrial life was found. The report also stated that the absence of reproducible data makes it challenging to draw conclusions about some UAP origins. It was recommended that a rigorous, evidence-based approach be used to study UAPs and that data collection methods include artificial intelligence and citizen observers, and stated that NASA is well positioned to lead the study of UAPs. According to its 2023 terms of reference, the team was dissolved upon the completion and submission of its final report. However, the efforts do not stop there. The Pentagon has also been actively investigating UAPs. Between May 2023 and June 2024, the Department of Defense's All-Domain Anomaly Resolution Office received 757 new UAP reports. As of October 24, 2024, the AARO has accumulated a total of 1,652 UAP reports. While many cases have been identified as mundane objects like balloons, birds, and drones, 21 cases exhibit anomalous characteristics and/or behaviors that warrant further scrutiny. The AARO emphasizes that there is no evidence of extraterrestrial life involved in these observations. However, John Closey, the director of the AARO, has expressed intrigue regarding certain cases that remain perplexing. There are interesting cases that I, with my physics and engineering background and time in the intelligence community, do not understand, and I don't know anybody else who understands them either, he revealed. Those curious cases lasted over the last year and a half, and there is some video footage for a few of them, but not all. But in each of the cases I'm particularly interested in, there were multiple eyewitnesses and there is additional data to go with them, Closey added. It remains to be seen whether or not that additional data is going to be sufficient for us to either resolve the case, understand whether it's a UAV, unmanned aerial vehicle, bird, or balloon, or say something substantive about the nature of the unknown phenomenon. AARO then took a different path, conducting a historical review of UAP investigations. The resulting report claims no evidence of hidden U.S. programs or exotic technology and attributes most sightings to misidentified objects. Nevertheless, it has faced scrutiny for factual errors and for repeating inaccuracies from past studies. Although the U.S.'s investigations have yielded no results, many questions remain. Is there concrete, irrefutable evidence of the mothership's existence? The alleged footage requires further validation. What is the purpose of these probes? And what are the intentions of the beings who sent them? Why do government and military officials dismiss it? The search for answers continues. The theory of the UFO Mothership, while still largely speculative, represents a paradigm shift in our understanding of the mysteries that fill our skies and oceans. It challenges us to question our assumptions, explore new possibilities, and remain open to the unknown. Whether it represents the dawn of a new era or the beginning of something more terrifying, only time and continued investigation will tell. Perhaps we need wider cooperation, including government agencies, astronauts on the ISS, and scientists. Hopefully,